Hello, today we'll be walking you through how to add images and videos to your messages. To get started, you will want to select Mass Messages located in the menu bar on the left-hand side of your screen. From this section, you will select the button named Compose located in the upper right corner. After filling in all the necessary information for composing your message, such as description, schedule, and who you are sending the message to, you will then start to create the message itself. Select the checkbox next to Text Message and then select Start from Scratch. While creating the message, you can add an image or video by selecting the icon located near the top right corner of the text editor. Once the icon is selected, you have two options to choose from. The first option to choose from would be Device. This will pull up your file management where you can select an image you have saved to your device. The second option is Library. If you have saved an image to your account, then this image can be retrieved from your account and used in your message. Once an image or video has been selected, an alert message will appear indicating that you are now creating an MMS, which stands for Multimedia Messaging Service, and that it costs 3 credits per recipient. After selecting OK, your image should appear above the body of your message in the preview screen. After composing the text portion of your message, click on Save and Close at the top of your screen. This will transition you from the text editor to the Compose section, allowing you to review your message before hitting Send. Once you click Send, you'll receive a Send summary detailing the credit cost for sending this message. In this instance, since there is one recipient, the message will cost 3 credits to send. After selecting Send, your message is now en route. One thing to note before you start creating your MMS messages is that your file size limit for both image and video is 500 KB. That is how you add an image or video to your messages. I hope you have a nice day and thank you for watching.